Did you know if we could use Bootstrap style like this one with smaller file size? We could use Webpack to do that. First, you need to create project structure like this one with source, folder, and index.js and style.css in it. Then you need to install Bootstrap and Popper.js using npm. After that, install the dev dependencies which are Webpack, Webpack CLI, Sass, Sass Loader, Style Loader, CSS Loader, Post CSS Loader, and Auto Prefixer. After that, set up Webpack config like this one. The entry will be your index.js file and the output will be main.js in this folder. Set up the module rule to compile Sass to CSS and load it into your HTML DOM. I will post a link to see this config in more detail. Then in your style.scss file, import these three required files. And then import style that you will use like form and button in this example. And in your index file, import component that you will use like for Popper and your Sass file like this one. Let's compile this using Webpack and see the result. This main.js file includes both your JavaScript and CSS code, and it is still smaller than these two Bootstrap files. If you are not using Popper, you could remove it and the file size will be much smaller. Final step is to use it in your index.html file and the result will be like this one. That is more than 1 minute. See you on the next video.